gotta go to the big boy section. Reminder that no matter what anyone says or does, my smile is a part of my DNA. It's a part of who I am. That's what makes me special. He said that he want me to pay for his maintenance because he's a well-kept man. How y'all feel about that? Put it down below. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. It's your girl Arbeilla Nichole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a little vloggy vlog. If you're new here, I talk about all things girl, okay? So if you love things like that, this is definitely the channel for you. And if you've been rocking with your girl, you already know how I feel about you. Love you down. Okay, listen, if you have not done so already, please consider to subscribe. And when you subscribe, do what subscribers do, which is like, comment, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. But let's get into this vlog, okay? So today is Tuesday, like I said, and I'm on my way to dinner. It's 8:05. Person said be ready by 8:40. I then replied, let's do 9, because my hair is not done. I didn't introduce the vlog. We just got stuff to do. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go out. This is what I'm wearing. I didn't have time to do my hair, y'all, so threw on my handy dandy hat, a little leather blazer moment, some boots. Real simple but cute, you know what I'm saying? Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Currently eating some tacos. Today I have to wash, pack, get ready to leave. I leave tomorrow. I'll be gone for 4 days. Come back. But y'all, I'm not feeling good. My sinuses is like really acting up really bad. I can barely breathe. I'm sitting here watching the trial with Rodney Hinton Jr., the guy that killed the police officer, a police officer, because the day before a police officer killed his son. So I'm getting the trial and information from that, watching that. The date yesterday was cool. I knew him prior, knew him for a year. It's been a year. We went on a date just to kind of like catch up and see where we're at. It was cool. But yeah, I'm about to eat this taco and start getting my clothes together so I can wash, and then also pack my bag and everything so it can be ready for tomorrow. So I'll catch up with y'all in a few. Hey y'all, so on our way out, about to go wash clothes, go to the store, and you guys are coming with. So let's go, y'all. All right, y'all, so we're at the hair store. I don't need to go to Ross anymore because believe it or not, Amtrak sent me a goodie box and it has a book bag in there. I'm gonna show y'all the book bag once I get back to my mom's house. I'm gonna show it to y'all. But we are going into the hair store because I need 3 things. So I gotta get the edge brush from my auntie. So let's go, y'all. Going to Walmart. Ooh, Walmart. Y'all, the stuff that's in Walmart, baby, is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, they doing a big one.
You ain't got the big shot. You didn't get it in the shot.
I did. I was panning it down. They doing a big one. Gotta go to the big boy section. Oh, that is too cute. Y'all want to see it? Because when people be saying something cute and you can't see it, I be mad because I be wanting to see all of the cute little stuff that they got for the kids. Baby fever. Baby fever. Baby fever. Y'all, should I have a child? Should I have a child, you guys? I've always said no kids. Not that I don't think I want kids. It's just that people are fickle. And I want a structured family. Y'all, so I was having a conversation with a guy and we were talking about expectations. And I tell him what my expectations are. Like, you know, I expect to have daily communication, you know, plan dates, maintenance, all the things. And he was like, are you gonna pay for my maintenance? I said, is that your expectation? He was like, yeah, because when you met me, I was a well-kept man. Y'all, how do y'all feel about that conversation? How y'all feel about it? That he said that he want me to pay for his maintenance because he's a well-kept man. How y'all feel about that? Put it down below. Guys, look what came in the mail. Amtrak sent me some goodies. A nice book bag, which I'm going to use to pack my stuff in. A water bottle. A nice book. This is really nice too. I like this. And then a welcome aboard note, which is really cute. Oh, and a pen. Oh, this is a nice pen. That's nice and heavy. Alright, y'all, so I am dressed. I need to take out the garbage and I'm waiting for my Uber to pull up. But outfit of the day. Y'all, I got rained on. Like, all of my clothes super wet. I had to change into the sweater they gave me because I don't have my other shirt. Already my allergies are acting up. My nose is running and I got rained on. Y'all, look at my hair. Oh my God, I am freezing cold and I feel so stuffy. Getting ready to have dinner. I'm having salad and steak for dinner with some onions, tomatoes. I wish they had cucumbers. That would have been too good with some cucumbers, but that's what I'm having for dinner. I'll check in with y'all later. Y'all, it is currently 3 something in the morning. I'm about to go down. It was great, but that rain did it for me. The rain owned me, okay? It owned me. Good morning, beautiful people. Currently doing my hair. And y'all never guess what? I left my comb home. So we have no comb. We have no comb. And my hair needs to be washed because I got rained on yesterday. And so my hair is We just stopped in Camden. I threw my lashes away by mistake. Y'all, yesterday was crazy. Ready to go. Hey y'all, so I'm in Washington DC on my way out with the crew members. We just going to go get some dinner. That's what I decided to put on. Nothing too crazy. I'm wearing just a little two-piece set that came from Ross with some tennis shoes, a little jacket because it is cold outside. I'll catch up with y'all in a few.
With ranch?
Yeah.
Bread.
Hey y'all, so I am back in the hotel room, getting ready to lay it down. I am going to have a little snacky snack though. Have a little dessert, okay? And then also talk to the girls because it's been a while since I talked to the girls. So let's talk to the girls. I didn't get to do much. I wasn't gonna really do that much in Washington DC because y'all know I'm still just trying to figure everything out and kind of go from there. I think I want to lay on this side, to be honest, but this side got all the stuff on it. So I wasn't going to do much anyways, but we got in extremely too late to even consider, like, because, I wanted to, like, walk around and kind of get a feel of everything. But y'all, I couldn't even do that because we got in, like, extremely late. We were supposed to get in at 3. We didn't get in until 7, y'all. So, ooh, these sheets, luxury. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, this is comfortable. This is it. Oh, I want this bed. But yeah, we didn't get in. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can lighten y'all up. So we didn't get in until 7 p.m. Actually, a little after 7. So couldn't do any walking around and exploring and stuff like that. But it's always next time. But we did go to dinner. Ooh. My crew and I, and talked. And it's after 11, after 12. I don't know what time it is. I'm about to go to sleep. Thought that was my phone. Is that my phone? No. Going in the gym in the morning and go to breakfast and yeah, get ready to get back on that road. I'm extremely exhausted though. I didn't even do my mask. I wanted to do a mask. I may do it early in the morning, depending on what time I wake up. But I'm actually going to close out this vlog, you guys. This ride was such a good ride, y'all. I met some really, really great people. But I know it's only been a month since I've been, working here. And, you experience things and can make you, change your mind how you feel about something. But I don't have that mindset. I really feel like this is a really great opportunity for myself because of the type of person that I am, and how I like to serve people. That the opportunities that I get to just be who God created me to be. I'm talking about encouraging, like I'm encouraging, people on these trains, having conversations to brighten up their day. And that's who I am. And just to get the feedback and the love and the tips and all the things from people. Like, so many people just said, man, you are so nice. Like, this one lady was like, you really are a breath of fresh air. And it's not an act, y'all. This is genuinely who I am. And people make comments like, oh, work here. Once you work here long enough, that smile will go away. And y'all, my nickname growing up was Smiley. I smiled even when I was in trouble. I smiled even when I was getting a beating. I'm always smiling. Like, no matter what I go through, I'm going to always smile. And, one thing that two of my coworkers, one of my managers said to me, and another crew member said to me was like, don't let no one take away that smile. And that's going to always stick with me, because it's just a reminder that no matter what anyone says or does, my smile is a part of my DNA. It's a part of who I am. That's what makes me special, is my smile. And so y'all gonna get this smile even when I'm frustrated, even when I'm within myself and dealing with my own stuff. Even when you say something that's out of whack, I'ma still smile. Like, it was this guy that came on the train with his girlfriend, and he was trying to be a problem. He was like making like little smart comments, and y'all, I smiled him into loving me by the end of the trip. Like, literally, by just making small conversation and just making him laugh, cleaning those bathrooms. He loved when I came by and cleaned the bathroom. Like, just doing stuff like that. Like, I was like, yeah, I gotta clean these bathrooms for you. You need to be in there. I need to make sure these bathrooms is good for the present. Like, you just saying stuff like that and not saying that it isn't true, because in his own right, like, I need you to feel confident about yourself and who you are as a person. So, anywho, y'all, I'm rambling. I absolutely love what I do. I love what I do, and I really think this was really a great move of God. Like, God just be coming in doing his big one. I'm so grateful. So grateful. So grateful. So grateful for the glory of God. But y'all, I'm getting sleepy. So I'm going to talk to y'all